Everyone, and welcome to this new GTM tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to track the page count using Google Tag Manager. So before you do anything, you will need to go to the link that I'll be leaving you in the description area, which is this one. You just need to copy and paste the script and then paste it on your GTM container. As you can see, this is something that I've already done. So yeah, let's just go ahead and preview this in action. Okay, so we just open up the website. Let's go to the DevTools and let's go to application, and we will see that the page count is 1. So for this script, actually it stores the page count in session storage, and as soon as the user leaves the website or the session of the user ends, this resets again to 1, right? So yeah, so each time you refresh the page or go to a different page within the website, it is going to increment the count by 1. And let's just go ahead and do a live example here. So as you can see, each time it increments the counts by 1. There are some use cases or why you might want to implement this on your website. Say for example that if you consider that each time a user lands on your website and then navigates to at least 3 pages, you can count that as maybe an event you can add to GA4. So this is an example that I've done here myself. So if we go to the trigger, this is the trigger type is a custom event, and then I have some conditions. So each time the page count equals 3, so I consider that as an event that is called super engaged user, right? So let's just go ahead and refresh the page one more time to demonstrate this in this live example. Okay, let's just go here and then let's go to this trigger right here, new page visited. Click here. As you can see, the page count is 3, and then we have the tag here, which is the tag or the event super engaged user. Yeah, so that's pretty much it when it comes to counting the page visited per user. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much.